Question 38. There are 530 chickens and ducks on the farm. 30% of them are ducks. 30% ducks. How many more chickens than ducks are there on the farm? Okay, so I work out 30%. I use fraction to work out. 30% is 30 over 10, 100, 3 over 10. So 3 unit is ducks. So I do a model. 3 unit is duck. 1, 2, 3. Chickens will be 7 unit. So how many more chickens than duck? 4 unit more. So altogether 10 units. 530. I work out 1 unit is 553. How many more? 4 unit more. So it's 212. Leong Ching spent $36 on petrol to travel 300 km in his car. If he traveled 12 km on 1 liter, what was the cost of 1 liter of petrol? So you need to work out total number of liters. 12 km is 1 liter. So 12 km will be how many liters? 300 divided by 12. 25 liters. So 25 liters will cost you $36. 1 liter will cost you divided by 25, $1.44. Answer 144. Question 40. Shafiq had twice as many male copies as female copies, so 2 to 1 unit. He gave away half of his female copies, so half unit give away. And an equal number of male copies, also half unit give away. Find ratio of the number of male copies left to the number of female copies. So I do a simple ratio model. Male, female. At first 2 unit, 1 unit. Give away half. Female, half. Then I realize, then I don't like the fraction. So I do something to make it whole number. So I times 2, times 2, times 2, all times 2. So I have 4 unit to 2 unit. So it's 2 times. Times 2 I have 1 unit. Times 2 I have 1 unit. So left, 4 minus 1, 3 unit.
Paging for Lydia.
Left,
Lydia gets
2 minus 1,
to the office.
1 unit.
Thank you.
So the ratio is 3 is to 1. Part A. If he had 60 copy left, so 4 unit will be 60. 1 unit 15. Total number of copy at first, 4 plus 2 is 6. So you have 90. So this one total 6 unit, 4 unit. You can also do by model. Question 41. Alice baked some apple pies in the mornings and 7 apple pies in the afternoon. She packed 4 apple pies in a box and gave away 3 boxes. She then sold the rest for $8 per box. If she collected for $8, how many apple pie did she bake in the morning? So too many information. So for this question, you will work backward. That means for $8. From there, you work out how many boxes she sold. So number of boxes sold, 48 divided 8, 6 boxes. 6 boxes, he gave away 3. So at first, she should have 9 boxes, right? So 6 plus 3. So before giving away 3 boxes, she will have 6 plus 3 boxes, 9 boxes. And 1 box has 4 apple pie. So total number of apple pie, 9 times 4, 36 apple pie. Morning she makes 7. Afternoon she makes 7. So 36 minus 7, that will give me the morning. 29 apple pie she baked in the morning. Answer 29. 42. Julian has $42 less than Kumar. Larry has $69 more than the total amount Jillian and Coma have. If Larry has $270 more than Jillian, how much money does Larry have? So check. Jillian has $42 less than Coma, so I draw this one. Then what else? Larry has $270 more than Jillian, so Jillian is 1 unit only. Right, so Larry will have $270 more. Oh, wait first. No, Larry has $69 more than the total amount of Jillian and Coma have. So Jillian and Coma will have 2 units plus 42. So Larry has $69 more. So $69 more. And from here, the last statement comes here. Larry has $270 more than Jillian. So 1 unit plus 42 plus 69 will give me 270. I can work out my 1 unit, $159. Then ask you for Larry. So Larry will have 2 units of this, 2 times 159 plus 42 plus 69. Answer $429. Nisa can fold 15 paper cranes in 1 hour. Vera can fold the same number of paper cranes in 5/6 of that time. That time is 1 hour, so you take 5/6 times 1 hour. This will be 50 minutes. At this rate, how many paper cranes can they fold altogether in 5 hours? In 5 hour notice is 5 times 60, 300 minutes. So, Nisa, 1 hour 15 paper crane. 5 hour times 5 times 5. 5 hour can make 75 paper crane. Vera, 5/6 times 60 minutes. She can make the same number, 15 paper crane. So this is 50 minutes. So 5 hours is 300 minutes, right? So I times 6. Times 6 times 6. So 5 hours can make 90. So total can make 75 plus 90, 165 paper crane. 44. Sam has half as much money as Tony. So you draw Sam half Tony. Tony has $30 less than Uda. So Uda has $30 more. But Tony will have $40 more than Vin. So Vin $40 less than Tony. If the average amount of money of the 4 boys is $120. So can I find total sum? N is 4, A is 120. Total sum will be 4 times 120. Alright, this formula, remember Mr. Tan, total is average time number of items, 120 times 4, 480. So you realize 2 units plus 1 unit plus 2 unit plus 30 plus here I put plus 2 unit equal 420 plus 40. So here I add 40. This 2 unit is here. So I add another 40. So if I add 40 here, this side I must add 40 also. Total amount of money becomes 480 plus 40. I work this out. 7 unit plus 30 is 520. 7 unit is 490. 1 unit divide 7 is 70. And Winware has 2 units. This is 2 units subtract $40. $100.